Hello everyone, I'm Christian and today we're going to look into the Honor 6X. This is dang cool, so let's start. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the recently released smartphone by Honor. This exact model is the 6X. It has been unveiled at the Las Vegas CES 2017 and now it should be available for the US and Europe markets, and you'll be able to find some pricing in the video description for it. What I'm expecting to see today is just a bright blue box that has the smartphone inside. So in this case, let's start undoing the box. We have some paperwork, stickers, manual, warranty card, the SIM card tool, and charger, USB cable, and we have a pair of earbuds as well. Yeah, so in this case my plan for what we're going to do next is just fire it up.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Overall, the build quality of the phone is really good. It feels nice and solid and really premium with that brushed aluminum on the back as well as the rounded corners on the side. However, this is a slight drawback because it feels really slippery as well, and you definitely need a case. One of the most prominent features of this phone is of course the dual camera on the back. It includes two sensors, one of them is the 12 megapixel one and the other one is a 2 megapixel one that's used only for depth information. The combination of these sensors may produce some really shallow depths of fields which may result in really compelling photographs, especially portraits. Something I found really nice is the inclusion of some software features like the One Hand UI, which is something that really helps me having some small hands in general, and this can be enabled from here, and that allows you to lower the size of the screen down to around 4 inches, and this will make it a lot easier to maneuver around between apps. That's something that's really useful for me because I struggle to reach the top and the bottom of the screen with one finger, and it will allow me to use the phone a lot easier. That's it, guys. I can definitely say I'm pleasantly surprised with this device. I think it's a really strong competitor in the mid-range phone market. Being a budget smartphone, it does pack some nice features such as the dual camera, the quick and accurate fingerprint sensor, as well as the 5.5-inch Full HD display. I'm really excited to use this device more so I can better gauge its performance, so expect some more feedback in a future video. But for now, thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Competitor in the mid-range